What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to fix microphone is not working on Mage Arena and how we can fix it. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about if you're using an external microphone, you have to unplug it and you have to replug it back. Any kind of external microphone if you're using, then you just need to unplug it, then you have to replug it back, then you have to check. This is the first step. Next one, we need to allow the game to the Windows security. So to do so, we just need to go over here, search for the Windows security, click on the Windows security. Now from here you have to go over here, just wait for this and click on virus and threat protection. Now you have to scroll down and click on over here, manage settings. Scroll down and click on add or remove exclusion. Just click on this one and go for yes. Now from here we need to add the game. That is, you have to add the game which is Mage Arena. So in my case I have already added the game. If you scroll down you'll be able to see, if I go over here, as you can see the Mage Arena is added. So how to add it, just click on add an exclusion, go to file. Now from here you have to go to this PC, go to local disk D, Steam library, Steam apps, common. Now navigate to the Mage Arena. Now from here we have to add the game. Similarly you have to go to the control panel, Windows Defender Firewall, Hello and import feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Keep scrolling down and add the Mage Arena. So first you have to check whether the Mage Arena is added. For example, as you can see the Mage Arena is added and they have put a check on both the boxes private and public, which is very important. You can click on the change setting, go to allow another app, navigate to the browse, navigate to this PC, go to local disk D, Steam library, Steam apps, common, Mage Arena, select this one and you have to add it. This is how we can add it. For me, I cannot add because it is already there. Then you have to put a check on both the boxes private and public. Then you have to close this. Now we have to check. Next one is all about you have to select the right microphone and you have to set it as your default device. So go over here at the bottom, then click on the speaker icon, right click and go to the sound setting. First you need to make sure that you have selected the right device for both output and the input. So in my case for the input I have selected this particular device which is the default device. As you can see it is written default device, and also I have set the output as the default device, the USB audio device, that is the speaker. So you have to set it to the right device and that is what you have to cross check. Similarly you have to cross check the right mic in Steam setting and in the control panel. So first go over here on the control panel. Now navigate to sound. Now from here you might be having various options. Now from here select the speaker, that is your default one, right click and you have to enable it. I'm getting the disable option because it's already enabled, so you'll be get it marked like this and make sure that you set it to default one. And also similarly go to the Steam. Now go over here at the top, click on the Steam and navigate to the settings. Now go to the voice and over here you have to, for the input device you have to select the default one, that is you have to select the right correct device from here. Similarly for the output also you have to select the voice output device, you have to select the right device from here. After selecting the right device then you have to check. This is also very important. Next one you have to use, if you're using any kind of USB audio with interface with multiple jack, then you just need to plug in and plug it out with all the jacks over there. For example, any kind of USB audio device with the interface, you should be plugging into any other jack, then you have to unplug it. Keep trying for everything and you have to check. Next one we have to disable the unwanted mic in the device manager. So just go over here, right click and navigate to the device manager. Then you have to expand this. Now go over here and find sound over here. Now if you find any unwanted mics, you have to right click on this one, go for disable device and you have to remove it. Similarly go to the control panel. Now from here in the sound you have to navigate to the sound, and if you find any unwanted things from here you have to select it and you have to remove it and only keep the respective device which is your default one. Rest everything can be removed from here. The last and the least step is all about you need to verify the game file. That's an important step. So just go over here, go to the game, right click and go to the properties, install and file and click on the verify integrity of game file, because it is going to take a bit of time. So let me do it over here, because the verify integrity of game file is actually a very important step that is going to help everyone, because if anything goes wrong the only one easiest solution is verify integrity of game file. So we have to try this and we have to wait. So as you can see it says 239 files are successfully validated, which means everything is fine and you have to check. So these are the steps and I hope this quick video is helpful. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.